Hello, this is Easy Target with EZTwraps, and here I'm just showing you what I'm wrapping here is my hood, trunk, and roof. The plan was originally to rewrap my blue A3 and a matte black for the whole thing, but then I ended up trading that guy in and getting this A4. So this is what I ended up doing for the time being. It was just the hood, trunk, and roof. But I'm just going to show you the process of wrapping the hood here, and then whenever I do the roof, you'll notice that I do it twice. The first time I miscut around the antenna and messed it up, and it was quite bad. So then I just took that piece off, and then you'll see at the end I reused this first piece here to put on the trunk. But sometimes you have problems, and then you can just adjust and reuse that material sometimes, and other times you just gotta throw it away. But this is about it, so hopefully you guys enjoy the time lapse of me doing these 3 panels. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me down in the comment section below. But this is Easy, and I'm out.